guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new beauty box review for you, and we're going to be reviewing the May ALLURE beauty box. This is everything in my box here. If you guys aren't familiar with the ALLURE beauty box, it is $23 a month, and you get between 7 to 8 products, 3 of them being full size. I also start these videos off with a clean face because I use each product as we go. That way you get kind of like a mini review of each product to see if the ALLURE beauty box is worth it. As always, ALLURE has this little magazine here. So this just tells you about each product. They have their editors explain a little bit about each product and how they like to use it. And then it tells you the price of each product and all of that. I think I'm gonna start out with this guy first. So this is the Propolis Light Ampoule. I think that's how you say it. It kind of looks like honey with like a honeycomb, doesn't it? So this is the skin serum. It's more, I guess, like a syrupy texture. It's a little bit heavier. So this actually does have to do with honey. It says that this contains propolis extract, which is a resin that bees use to help build beehives. It's harvested without hurting the bees, and studies show that propolis is rich in antioxidant flavonoids and vitamins B, C, and E. Apparently really hydrating, and it calms redness, which I do have some redness here, especially on my nose and around these areas. I don't think I have rosacea, but yeah, I do have some redness. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this amount here. So it does look a lot like honey. It doesn't really smell like honey. I feel like your makeup on top of this would stick to it perfectly. Do you see that? Definitely that honey. I believe this is a full size as well, and it's $28. It's also made in Korea, so you know Korean skincare is good. Next up, we have the Wander Beauty Sightseer. This is a vitamin C serum that also has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Helps to plump fine lines, it brightens, it strengthens the skin barrier, and it's great for hydration. I'm gonna see how this guy applies here. What the heck? Okay, there we go. This feels very, very light. Almost like if you guys have ever tried the Cetaphil face lotion, kind of feels like that. This guy is $42, which is pretty pricey, but it looks like you only need about, I guess I used like 3 or 4 pumps. I feel like this would only last you about a month. It just depends. I mean, it has a lot of great benefits on there. Anything that has niacinamide, I'm always a huge fan of. So I guess it just depends on what's expensive to you. Or I guess not expensive to you, like what's worth it to you. This next one is a sample size of Augustinus batter, the rich cream. It seems like this little guy has everything packed in one, so if you're not big on like multiple skincare steps, you might like this guy. So it says that this is a brightening, hydrating, and smoothing cream. It contains amino acids, vitamins, squalene, I'm not sure how to say that, and hyaluronic acid. The formula is dense, so a little goes a long way. Okay, so this is just a sample, but the regular size is 50 milliliters, and it's $265, which is a no from me. But we're still gonna try it. Okay, so, whoop. Holy shit, I shouldn't have used that much. This is like $100 right there. Ooh, it does feel very thick, which I'm actually glad about because for something that's that expensive, I didn't really want to like it. Yeah. This feels very greasy. I'm sure you guys can see it too. It looks very greasy. I have very oily skin, so this is not something that I would gravitate to. Kind of feels like I just rubbed like Crisco all over my skin. I just can't get over that. $265. Wow. Next up, we have our Cetaphil, which is more of a humble brand. It's just a sheer mineral sunscreen. It's funny that this is in here. I actually really like Cetaphil. This was that moisturizer that I was talking to you guys about earlier. It's just a really good hydrating face lotion, and I think this is like 10 bucks, it might be less than that. But it's really good, it's non-greasy. Okay, so since this is a sunscreen, I'm just gonna be using about that much. And this is an SPF of 50, which they do say that you should be using at least a 30. in order for it to be beneficial against blocking the sun. It doesn't say in here how much the Cetaphil lotion is, so let me just look that up. All right, here we go. The Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Face Lotion for a 1.7 fluid ounce is about $12 at Target. Really good price. Next up, we have the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. I didn't realize that Belif was a K-beauty brand. This is a cooling gel cream that includes tiger grass, which is very calming. It calms redness and is very hydrating. It also includes glycerin and squalene. Full size is 25 milliliters and it's $48. Let's try this guy. All right. This is probably about the amount that you'll need. So I feel like it's definitely worth $48 because you only need a little bit. And this one isn't 48, by the way. I forget. I don't know how much. Oh, this is like, yeah, this is 5 milliliters. I really love products that have tiger grass in it. I think is it Dr. Jart. I have a few products by him that has tiger grass in it, and they're just my favorite. They really, really calm your skin. Okay, so this next product, I believe I've gotten in like 2 other Allure beauty boxes, but these are the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Palette. I said this in another video that I was gonna make a separate video using these. I never wound up doing it because I feel like, this is probably just me, but I'm not like a big, like crazy nail kind of person. I'm more of like a solid color. I don't like any like glitz and glamour. I don't like a detail nail, which if you do, this is perfect because it does have all the detail sets here, but it's just not something that I would wear. And I feel like, I guess you don't have to fully commit to them or anything because you can remove it. So apparently when you're applying them, it seems like they just stick right onto your nail and then you just kind of like saw around it, like you saw off all the excess around it. And then to take them off, you just put a little bit of nail polish remover around the cuticle and you can just like peel it off. I was looking it up on Target. It looks like this is about like $7 at Target, which is a great price. It's just personally not my thing, but it does look like it would be a lot easier than painting your nails. So there's that. This next product I'm not gonna be trying because they're eye masks, but this is a gold black pearl eye mask. I'm reading up on these and it seems like they're really effective while also looking really cute, which if you guys know anything about the little under eye jelly masks, they typically they either look really cute and don't do anything or they just look like kind of ugly. So these guys are black and they have little specks of gold in there. It has glycerin, gold, and black pearl extracts and you leave them on for 20 minutes. It clears up puffiness and gets rid of some dry patches underneath your eyes as well. It's actually a pretty good price and you can get them right on Amazon. So you can get 60 of them for $42, which is really, really good. Okay, so I got a little, looks like this is a perfume in here. It doesn't say anything about it on the list, so let's see. This is Flower Bomb Dew by Rickeroff. Looks like a little grenade. I feel like my hands are so greasy after applying all of that stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this off. Oh, okay. So this is one of those where you kind of just like dab it on, so it's not a spritz. How do I show you guys? Oh. I'm so bad with scents for like explaining perfumes. Like florally. It smells a lot like potpourri, but in a good way. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not a huge perfume wearer, I'll just say that. I do typically like more of like body sprays and I like more like sweeter scents. Anything that would just like ruin your diet if you're on a diet. Okay, so for 1 ounce, it's $85. I think that's expensive, but let me know if that's expensive for a perfume. I'm not really sure. And a brief description real quick since I have this up. It says it's kind of like a garden party in a perfume. A heady bouquet is anchored by patchouli and vanilla for a lavish and intoxicating perfume. Also hints of jasmine and rose petals. Last but not least, guys, we do have a liquid lipstick. This is the Josephine Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Tiphaine? Tiphaine? Why can I not pronounce anything? Are these like simple words that other people know? But this is how it's spelled, just in case you guys are wondering. Okay, so I'm just gonna wipe this tube off because my greasy hands are leaving marks all over it. This is what the bottle looks like. So it looks like a really nice blue-based red, which is great for making your teeth look white. It says that this dries down quickly, and it does transfer a little bit, like if you're drinking something, but it does hold the bold color for hours. One of the editors in the magazine says that when she goes to wash her face in the evening, it barely is faded. This guy is $30 on JosephineCosmetics.com, and if you type in Allure15 at checkout, you get 15% off. Alright guys, so that was the Allure Beauty Box for May. Let me know if there are any other monthly beauty box subscriptions that you want me to review. You guys know that I love doing BoxyCharm reviews, so next month I'm actually going to be reviewing the BoxyCharm Base Box. I'll be reviewing the BoxyCharm Premium and the BoxyLuxe. So yeah, all three. I'm really excited for that, so look out in the beginning of next month. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like, it really helps me out. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and oh my god, I do this clapping in every video. I like don't know how to do the ending, so I just like get uncomfortable. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.